Text tool static. In Flash, Text tool allows us to type text on the stage. Now, there are three types of text available in Flash, and they are static, dynamic, and input. Now let's talk about static text. Static text displays a text that does not change dynamically. This is a text tool, and its keyboard shortcut is the letter T. We'll see some examples with this text. Now let's take a look at some examples where this text is used. It's used to create a name of a field, information in a website, and so on. Now, select the tool and click on the stage. Now we can note that the cursor has changed into a crosswire with T beneath it. And we'll find a blank box with a circle on top, and a cursor blinking inside the box where we can type inside. Please note by default the typed text will be static. Now, type a text on the stage. Next, we move on to its properties. The properties of text are text type, character, paragraph, option, and filters. Text can be static, dynamic, or input. So, select the static type. We can specify width, X and Y position of the text, font, style, size, color, and alignment. These can all be altered. Next, we see paragraph option, and here we can format a paragraph left, right, center, and justify. Then we have space and margin, which allows us to edit the margin and spacing of the text. Orientation of the text, letter spacing, and character position, such as superscript and subscript, can also be specified. Font rendering method and embedding characters can also be done. Selectable option can be enabled to make the text selectable in the player. Auto-kerning and URL link for text can also be specified. Now then, select the text and go to Filters, and from Add Filters icon, choose the Blur option. In that, for blur quality, select how blur must be. For example, it can be low, medium, or high. Select Low from the option. X and Y are used to increase or decrease our blur effect. Now, as we change the value, the text is changing, isn't it? Well, good. Now we're going to modify letter spacing option. Oh, its space is increasing as we increase the value, and we get blur effect to our text. Save this file as static text in the desired location. Hence, static text is very useful to create a non-dynamic text field. In our next tutorial, we're going to discuss the rectangle tool.